Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what are some tips to keep flies away? Besides a nosy neighbor, the most annoying pest you can have buzzing around your home is a fly. Luckily, there are some simple steps that you can take to keep flies away. Be sure to keep trash in tightly sealed trash cans and away from common areas like your porch or deck. Most pests, especially flies, will gather around and will feed on that trash. Reduce any moisture issues around your home. Flies and other pests are attracted to water, so addressing poor drainage or leaky gutters will go a long way. Pick up or spray away any dog droppings. The only thing that likes your dog's droppings, besides your dogs, are flies. Pick up any dog droppings in your yard to keep flies away. Finally, you can use a fast-acting aerosol insecticide like Pirate to spray any flies buzzing around for a quick kill. Or you can install some fly lights and let that do the work for you. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. You didn't even throw a shoe fly no don't bother me reference in there? Surprise, Colin. No, I'm not doing that. It's silly. It's a dumb reference.